As you know, sir, in life there is good and there is bad. Here, there's a lot of good.
They take very good care of me. And it doesn't matter if you're Jewish or black or any other color.
Jonathan, elle est vraiment très bonne. Elle me donne de bain, elle m'habille, elle fait tout, quoi.
We realize that it's not an easy job, and we just want to make sure that they understand that we appreciate it.
I'm feeling absolutely great. Awesome, actually. I've been here 3 years, and over the 3 years, I've really appreciated all the help they have given me. They're just kind, nice people to deal with.
When I need something, they are here to help me. When I have a problem, they are here to talk to me.
Here at Maimonides, these are wonderful, the best employees I've ever been with. It feels like home to me all the time.
Thank you so, so very much.
For St. Andrews, the people are very great. Thank you very much.
Notre staff, c'est bien.
Thank you very much, Jonathan.
You're welcome, Miss Maria.
Merci.
Je veux remercier les travailleurs ici à Fatherdown pour leur service qui est merveilleux.
Sans vous, je ne pourrais pas être heureuse comme je suis ici à Montréal.